Welcome to this video. Today we will learn about forum posting and how it can help in your SEO strategy. Forum posting means taking part in online discussion forums by answering questions or starting threads. It is used to share knowledge, build credibility, and include links to your website. Forum posting helps in SEO by creating backlinks, increasing brand exposure, and driving targeted traffic to your website. You can use niche forums, general discussion boards, and question answer platforms to contribute and link your content. Choose the right forum. Create a genuine profile, share useful answers, and include links naturally where it helps the discussion. Focus on helping, not spamming. Always read the forum rules and never over promote your website. Place your links in the forum signature or inside a useful answer. Make sure the link adds values to the discussion. You can track traffic and backlinks from forums using tools like Google Analytics and Ahref. This helps measure the value of your forum activity. Forum posting is effective when done right, but if misused, it can lead to spam or penalties. Let us look at the pros and cons. To summarize, forum posting helps in building backlinks, increasing traffic, and connecting with a niche audience when used ethically. Thank you for watching. For more SEO tips and strategies, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.